Heather is amazing. She basically has developed a program where she takes you in, you do a meditation, you look at nature, you sort of like focus on things that you want to draw. Um, and it becomes this therapeutic process that you don't have the wherewithal to really know initially what you're getting into, but it becomes a journey, a very healing journey. And I think her meditation basically initially focuses you on um, that path in creating the artwork. And then on the other hand, the artwork that's created is, it's coming out of you. It's coming out of your subconscious, and you're amazed by the beauty inside of you. And I think that oftentimes people, when they're doing this kind of sort of soul searching work, neglect the fact that there is beauty inside all of us. And she's able to, sort of put a mirror up to your soul, and there it is. And it's a very healing process, and not only in the process of making, but the actual product of it. And of course, sharing it within like a group or class and environment adds another dimension of of mirroring who you really are, and of healing each other also in the process. Heather's magic, and I'm gonna add some a phrase to it in the most unassuming way, that she's magic.